Hey, Violet. 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 You're such a little sweetie, aren't you? Quiet little one. Yes, you are. Hey. Hey, Violet. Darling. Violet. Sweetheart. Hey. Look over here, my baby. Look over here. So I can get you on the film. Yeah, there you are. There's my baby. Such a tiny little dot, aren't you, sweetie? Hey. Here's my tiny dot. Hey. Hey, Violet. 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 Hey. Violet. You're going to have a little play. Are you? You're going to play on my bed. You little cutie. You little cutie. Violet. Hey, sweetheart. Oh, you say, no, I want to play with these things. Things to play with. Hey. She's Violet. She's 8 weeks old. She's got a lovely, quiet temperament, is our Violet. And very, very tiny features. Small little face. But a real little poppet. Hey, darling. Come on, that's right. Look at the camera. Hey, look over here. Violet. 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 You got the book. Have you got the book? Violet. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you're going to lie down and